Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bob Icino for Path Trading Partners, along with my co-founder, Mike Arnold. He is here as well. It is September 4th, and this is a Path Chat cryptocurrency update. It's an educational update covering Ethereum. The big news this morning: China bans companies from raising money through ICOs and asks local regulators to inspect 60 major platforms. Chinese regulators are about to start a campaign related to the country's initial coin offerings, according to a Caixin report. In a document, authorities said they have banned new projects to raise cash or other virtual currencies through cryptocurrencies. A list of 60 major ICO platforms were provided for local financial regulatory bodies to inspect and report on, again, according to Caixin. That is big news everyone is talking about in the cryptocurrency world. You can see Ethereum's down a little bit. Let me turn it over to Mike to let you know what he is seeing on the chart specific to Ethereum. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. Ethereum US dollar. Here we're starting with the weekly chart, bigger perspective. We're now in the rotation zone on the weekly, which means we're below the 8 EMA. We couldn't exceed the prior highs. We are pulling back into the major rotation zone. Key levels to watch for within this major rotation zone: this 265 area, the 255 area, and then if those are broken, all the way potentially down to the 233 area is the next major support, where we have the rising 21 coming in, the prior breakout zone, and the 0.625 key GAN level. Again, tune into our Crypto Keeper segment from today also to find out, there's news surrounding this pretty big sell-off in a lot of the cryptocurrencies, and we'll cover that in the Crypto Keeper. Switching over to the daily chart. Here's our daily chart. You can see we're also below the 50-period exponential moving average. Here's those two areas I cited. We're at pretty major support right now. You see this major support right around this 287 area, which we're trading. We did dip below it. So on a rally back up, at least on the daily basis, we'll be watching for resistance between 295 and the 300 level. I'll also get into these, how we came up with these levels as we switch to the 4-hour chart. And we're not even going to consider being, again, bullish until we can get above some of these key trend lines. Let me look at the 4-hour chart right now for you. 4-hour chart, in our last Ethereum update, we were looking for a move up above our trend line and a close above the rotation zone. That's how we trade these on a more conservative basis, or at least a sustained move above the trend line in the rotation zone. You see we did not get it above this rotation zone or these trend lines, and then it proceeded to sell off. So how do we come up with some of these levels? Well, we have the projection from the most recent highs down to this swing low projected from here. Here's that one and the 1.625. If you need more information on that, we cover it in our GAN that came out a few days ago. GAN, how to draw the GAN tool segment. The one, funny enough, lines up with the 375 retracement from one of our major moves. And then as we continue down to fine-tune these moves, we're also doing a GAN box projection from this high to this low and projecting the 12.5 to 25%. And you can see the 12.5 comes up with a 50% retracement level, and the 25% GAN box projection lines up exactly with this 1.625 level. So these are going to be very key levels should this low get broken. Again, we're not going to get bullish until we can get above some of these key trend lines and the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart. So how are we playing this? On rallies up, we're lightening up some of our positions. If we do find some scalp trades, we may be taking them. But these are areas we're lightening up into until we get some more bullish patterns. Major resistance areas are going to come in. First off, 297 to that 300. Then watch for this about 307 to 313 level, where the declining rotation zones coming in, and the flat 200 period simple moving average, and the 50% retracement. That would be the 50% retracement from this high to this low. That's going to be a key resistance level. Once that level's exceeded, watch for a possible retest of 322. That's your Ethereum US dollar update. Back to you, Bob.
Thank you, Michael, and thank you guys for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. Mike did a Crypto Keeper update that is up on our YouTube channel. He will keep you up to date on any news in the cryptocurrency world that has a major effect on price. Again, hit like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and we will talk to you in the next Path Chat. Cheers, guys.